Huh? His? Zip your jacket up.
I can't. It came loose from the bottom up. You didn't put it in the hole right.
Whoa, too much information. Too much information. What's going on, man? We back with another video. Got Papa in the back seat over there. Don't know what he doing, boy. Cold as a mug. You cold? We back with another snowstorm in New York. We out here in the AT4, me and Papo. Back there in the back seat, ready to put in that work. You already know what time it is, man. We about to go rescue the folks. Swing over their crib. This time, I got the secret weapon with me. Stay tuned. This is crazy. I did my house like 3-4 times before coming over here. That way I could just do theirs in one shot. But look at this, man. We got snow everywhere. We ain't have a snowstorm like this in New York in like 3-4 years, man. All right, man, so as you can see, we got that secret weapon in the back trunk of the AT4 loaded up real nice and easy. Just copped these loading racks from Home Depot right before the storm, just in time, because I'm not shoveling this driveway this time. This time we're gonna blow through it with the snowblower, man. Papa already over there working on the steps. Stay tuned. Don't try to run. You should say hi to Phil, because she be watching all my videos.
This driveway is over 100 feet long.
Huh?
It's over 100 feet long.
Yeah, it's basically like a little longer than our driveway, but it's the hill that makes it bad. We came, we saw, we conquered.
Who you talking to?
We're coming down, right?
Yeah.
It's like sleep.
But this stuff would have been heavy if we ain't. Huh? His? Zip your jacket up.
I can't. It came loose from the bottom up. You didn't put it in the hole right.
Whoa, too much information. Too much information. She said you want her to zip it for you?
No, I'm coming in a few minutes.
Alright.
Look like you wouldn't hit the top. It'll pour all over the place. What's he doing?
I was trying to catch her on camera. Professional salter. So you my professional salter. All right, man. So as you can see, we got it done. Driveway looks good. Everything's all salted. They walkways is good money. And we out of here, man. Now it's time to get back home, get out this cold, get some dry clothes on, get Papo back to his Xbox so he can stop complaining about his fingertips and his toes. Damn it, man. Man up, boy. Any cars coming?
No.
We good? Can't even pull all the way in because we got to take this snowblower off. You know what I mean? You taking the snowblower off by yourself. You got this?
I like your confidence.
I
like your confidence.
I got confidence in you, boy. Man up, boy. Man up! Alright, man. You already know what to do. Like the video. Hit that like button. Drop a comment below. And subscribe. Right, Papa?
Hit that notification bell.
Hit that notification bell. We out.